Mr. Chair.
Yes, go ahead.
I move that he be cited in contempt
There's a motion.
for continuously lying before this committee.
There's a motion from Senator Jingo Estrada that the resource person is cited in contempt. Any objection? Hearing none, Mr. Jonathan Morales is hereby cited in contempt before this committee.
Bring him down. Mr. Chair, please instruct the Sergeant at Arms.
Sergeant at Arms, siguruhin nyo hindi magkasamang kwarto yan dalawa, ha? Hiwalay. Thank you, thank you. Hiwalay sila. I just want to be fair in this committee. Just want to be fair and to be transparent to everyone. That's all. Hiwalay ninyo silang dalawa. Wag silang, ilan bang room natin sa baba? Dagang pa? Ihiwalay ninyo. Okay, sige, thank you. So from here, still I want to listen to James Kumar, but not at his medical bed.